Let's ask the question, is your traditional EAM failing you? Have you ever witnessed this scene? A dirty maintenance shop may be located somewhere in the back corner of the plant. A computer kiosk with a single monitor desktop PC sitting on top. The only computer in the maintenance shop, mind you. A mechanic with a stack of PMs and work orders in their left hand, pecking away at the keyboard with one greasy finger on their right hand. You can see the anguish on their face as they try to recall all of the tasks worked on during the day and how long each one took. You then realize there is no way that this information is being typed into this EAM system and is going to be accurate. If you have seen this scene or something like it, then what you are witnessing is the failures of an antiquated EAM system. The modern EAM has all but eliminated this scenario and hundreds like it through the advancements in cloud technology, software design, and mobile devices. The old EAM model of manually entering data into a computer system hours after the job is complete and in a totally different location on the other side of the factory is a symptom of a failed EAM system. Out-of-date machine manuals, instructions, and important machine-related documents stored somewhere in a back office reminiscent of a dusty old English library is a symptom of a failing EAM system. Having to search out an expert to assist you in pulling downtime data, and when it finally gets to you, the data is on a spreadsheet that you still have to manipulate to understand, is a symptom of a failing EAM system. Like I said, there are hundreds of scenarios that point to your failing EAM system. The evolution of the EAM and CMMS systems has come a long way from time when maintenance and even production data had to be entered and tracked on handwritten notes and paperwork. The modern day EAM tracks production and equipment downtime in real time as it happens, where mechanics, engineers, and quality techs can all have mobile devices in their hands and close out issues immediately upon completion. The modern EAM has a digital document storage where technicians can access machine-specific literature on a mobile device right at the source of the problem on the machine. And the modern day EAM compiles data input in these scenarios automatically, so charts and graphs and reports can be accessed by anyone with a login without the aid of a system expert. So take a close examination of your factory and you may begin to see these and other symptoms of where your traditional EAM system is failing. I'm Eric Whitley, Senior Account Manager here at L2L. And if you want to learn more about what a modern EAM system can do for your company, go to L2L.com and download our free ebook on how to reduce operational costs with a modern day EAM. And thanks for watching.